Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I have a special announcement for you today. So it's just a news update. It's not an educational video in the sense of, hey, we're doing a teaching lesson today. Instead, I just wanted to share with you the new upcoming classes that we have coming up, especially if you're brand new to trading options, getting into options, unsure about options. That's really what it's all about. So check out our website at Rise, the number 2 LEARN. That's where we have classes and courses and a lot of our products. If you want to get all the free stuff that we have, go to tradersfly.com. That's where we have all our educational material that's absolutely free to get. And of course, as you can see, we have the Understand the Stock Market and How It Works coming out very soon. In either case, if you want to go ahead and check out some of these classes that we have, these are live events. They are 2-session classes, meaning we're going to go for probably about 45 minutes to an hour in one segment, and then we'll take like a little break or Q&A session, then we'll do another segment. So about 2 hours worth of training, live, and we'll do some one-on-one questions there in between as well. So if we have 5 people, that's great. Then you have more intimate of a session, 10 people, 20 people, 50 people, whatever the case may be. We're really just going to go ahead and try and tackle some of these key subjects. So the first class that we're doing that we have coming up, I kind of did this in order. So if we go ahead and check these things out, getting started, the first one that we have is January 29th. And that's getting started with trading options. How does it work and how you make money? So you could click through these and you can see what this course is really all about, just about calls, puts, strikes, the difference between trading stocks versus options. So that one is people brand new, interested in getting into options. Hey, check out that class. Then we're going to hop on over to January 31st. These are all 11 a.m. Eastern time. And then you could go ahead and check out Verticals and Iron Condor, simple strategies for retirees. So if you're retired, if you're looking to be retired, if you're trying to make money like a retired person, then go ahead and check this out. And this class is really a little bit more advanced than the basics. So you should have a little bit more insight. If not, take that first class and then take the second class. So you could sign up for 1 class, 2 class, 3 classes, or all 4 classes if you like. And we've just kind of broken things down. Then we're going to get into some option Greeks. They look into Delta, Gamma, Theta, and Vega, because I know a lot of people wanted to learn a little more about Greeks. So we'll talk a lot more about Greeks. And then we'll also get into February 7th right here, which you can't really see yet. There we go. That one is going to be ways to adjust, hedge, and protect iron condors, because that's kind of the basic strategy. So all these classes are quite good for the basic or the beginner. But in some of the things like the Greeks, it might be good for people who are a little more advanced. And if you're dealing with iron condors and you're struggling a little bit with protecting them and hedging them, then that might be also a good class for you to take. Again, it's less than $50, and it's a good way to interact a little bit more in a class setting, to ask your questions, and kind of like a coaching segment, but more in a group setting. We did a class in the past in November here. This was a multi-session. This was 7 sessions long. So a much longer class, but what I found is that people prefer more specific, kind of smaller bite chunk sizes. So that's why we're going to go ahead and try some of these classes. And we got 4 of them. So if you want to sign up to all 4, great, more power to you, and thank you. And that's just kind of your way to vote for the class. If you just want to go ahead and do 1 class, then by all means, just sign up for 1 class. If we don't get enough people signed up or registered for the class, let's say a couple days before, we'll go ahead and cancel the class and then we'll refund you your money. So I'm not really sure exactly which one's going to be a little more popular than the others. But hey, if we have a handful of students and people are interested in learning, I'm happy to provide that time and give you a place to continue your education and to learn further. So to sign up, all you have to do is, let's say, hey, I want to go ahead and start this one. Go ahead, I'll register for the class. And then when I go in and it'll register me in there, it'll go ahead and there's the save my spot. So I could go ahead, save my spot, enter the credit card number, pay, and you're pretty much good to go. You'll be on the Crowdcast system. We'll also go ahead and then add you to the Rise to Learn site if you're not able to attend live. So that way you also have kind of a backup of it as well on our platform. So anyways, that's just some thoughts and insights. Go check it out at our Rise, the number 2, LEARN.com. And then it'll bring you to the classes, or you could go to our website here at tradersfly.com. If you go anywhere to let's say the courses area, there's some great courses here that we have, and you can go ahead and let's say you click on a course and it'll bring you to our Rise to Learn site as well, which is where you'll find kind of the classes. So that's kind of a way to navigate those things and get some more insight. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe right here if you're brand new to the channel. Join me in the classes. They start up very soon. They're going to be live, or join the newsletter list so that way you get notified as these things get released. Thank you so much. Remember, do what you love, contribute to others, but most importantly, live life abundantly. And I hope to see you in one or many more of those classes to come. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.